I hope this video helps. Please check out the playlist: Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. This is for my 2013 Hyundai Sonata Limited. It is a little windy out. Alright, so as you can see right there, this license plate light is not working. AUXITO sent me these LED lights for free to replace my bad license plate light. I'm really excited to use it. I know it's going to be a lot brighter than the other one and it's going to look nicer. So I'll show you the difference. And this is the 194. I will leave any links or discounts in the description that they give me, so go there to find that. We got 2 screws to take out right there in order to get to that. There we go. Just turn that counterclockwise. You heard it snap when I turned it. There's your light bulb. So this bulb just pulls straight out. You might want to wear gloves when you do this so that you can keep your fingers safe in case the light bulb breaks. But let's see if this LED light is polarity sensitive. So it lights up that way. Flip it over. Lights up that way too, so we're good. So now just go ahead and shove the light in there. I shut the light off so that, alright, it's in there all the way. So let's put it back in the housing for the light. And then go ahead and reinstall it. So I almost put this thing in upside down. Gotta take it back out now. Flip it over. There we go. Alright, when you're putting this light housing back in, make sure your wires are not getting pinched between the housing itself and where it mounts. There we go. Screw it. Alright, it's all back in. Let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, they're both working again, and I'll show you what it looks like at night, just to compare it to the regular bulb and versus the LED bulb. See you then. So there's the license plate lights, LED ones on the left. Looks so much nicer. It's hard to see with the camera just how much different it is, but there you go. It is a lot brighter, the LED one. It looks a lot cleaner too, and just brings out everything a lot nicer. It's not that ugly yellow color, but I like that LED light. Looks good. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. I'll leave a link of that in the description. And if you want to support my channel, you can use the super thanks button below, or you can join Robinhood through a link that I'll leave in the description, and we'll both get a free stock. Thanks for watching.